Namaste everyone. My RPP project is on BBC, that is British Broadcasting Corporation. It is the world's largest and world's oldest broadcasting organization with the number of employees that is 16,000 in 2014. BB 2014. BBC is right now a royal charter that is comes under direct order of the Queen, but initially it was not a public company and was owned by John Reed. John Reith is the founder of and was the founder and CEO of the company, and initially all of the BBC was came under his control. Initially, BBC only produced radio services and uh, hence it did not encounter much of the audiences, and it had the shows which mainly comprised of the uh, uh, programs which help the armies and motivate people in the wars. But then, and hence, it was not very popular around the common people of Britain. And hence it led to losses, which then John was forced to convert his company BBC into a public company that is came under direct ownership of British public. The total amount of revenue that BBC received in 2014 was 5.1 billion US dollars, billion pounds, sorry, and expenditure total was 4 billion US pounds in 2014. So yeah, currently running into profits. Services which BBC provides. Well, BBC provides many services like BBC News, BBC Radio, BBC Television, Internet, Music, etc. Well, BBC News is the world's largest news gathering organization, and uh, world's largest news gathering and gives uh, news into 30 different languages and all over the world, uh, including the languages like Arabian and Persian, which are very rare. BBC News is also provided on the internet, and which I will tell you that it had its highest hits in uh, the bomb blast of June 2005 in London, where BBC News had online site had crashed, and it had a viewership of over 1 billion viewers, and other main hits were the Michael Jackson verdict case and 9/11 bomb blast of US, where and these were the most of the times where BBC got highest hits till right. Well, BBC there are many TV series that you may have heard of in BBC. That is uh, like Sherlock, BBC One. It comes in Sherlock, Downton Abbey, that British, then Graham Norton show, and there are many others, but I would just like to name these three, which are very hit and have received highest viewership around all over the globe. Other services which the BBC provides, which are not as much as recognized, but are yet also they provide information, is BBC Music, which is a genius concept given by BBC, which where legends are performed in here, legends like Beatles and all, and they perform here just for the entertainment of the people. They don't cost anything or anything, but they just do it for the people, and it is very much populated in British area, but not all over the world. uh, the BBC Music also gives us the area of orchestra. The which BBC Music also includes the orchestra and all the old thing which we used to do, but they have still kept going that old music legend things. So BBC Earth, well, you all may know BBC Earth, which provides CDs for wildlife, and and wildlife, and human, earth and nature and animals and all. So BBC here I have sample, but I cannot show you right now. I had a sample of BBC. I had got it for around 2000 Indian rupees, and got it like before 5 years. So yeah, it's pretty old, but the it and I have seen it. It's very beautiful, and what we can say is it's up to the mark what we accept from BBC. It is amazing how they have detailed with every single thing, and it's very beautifully recorded. BBC Knowledge and Parliament and World are also different aspects which BBC provides, etc. Well, thank you uh, for paying attention and listening to me. This help you increase your general knowledge.